Now we will learn about to create a key pair, configure a security group, allow SSH access, and finally launch an EC2 instance using the AWS Free Tier. First, we need a key pair to securely connect to our EC2 instance. Using the AWS CLI, I'll create a new key pair named myKey. This command generates the private key material and saves it into a file called mykey.pem. This PM file is very important, as it will be required for SSH access to the instance. Next, we need to secure the key file. AWS requires the private key to have restricted permissions, so I'm changing the file permission to read-only for the owner. This ensures that the key file can be safely used for SSH connections. Now, let's create a security group. A security group acts like a virtual firewall for the EC2 instance. Here, I'm creating a security group named MySG1 with a simple description. By default, this security group does not allow any inbound traffic. To connect to the EC2 instance, we must allow SSH access. So now, I'm adding an inbound rule to allow TCP traffic on port 22 from anywhere. This allows us to connect to the EC2 server using SSH from Git Bash. In production environments, this rule should be restricted to specific IP addresses. Now comes the main step, launching the EC2 instance. I'm using the run instances command with an Ubuntu AMI ID and selecting the t2.micro instance type, which is eligible for the AWS Free Tier. I'm attaching the previously created key pair and security group and setting the instance count to 1. Additionally, I'm adding a tag to name the instance myEC2 instance, which helps with identification in the AWS console. Once the command is executed, AWS starts provisioning the EC2 server. Finally, to verify that the EC2 instance has been created successfully, I'll list all instance IDs using the describe instances command. From the output, we can confirm that the new EC2 instance is now available in our AWS account.